For making the chicken biryani, here I have taken chopped coriander leaves. This is birista, that is fried onion. This is saffron dipped in warm milk. This is 2.5 tablespoons of curd. This is the main masala which we will be using for marinating the chicken. The mixture is of garam masala, biryani masala, cardamom, then bay leaves and kera jal, 1 tablespoon. This is the food color, that is optional. Boiled potatoes, and here I have taken chicken as per my requirement. And here on the other side you can see I have kept the rice to get 90% cooked. Now for marinating the chicken, I will be adding here this 2.5 tablespoons of curd. Then I will be adding this a bit of food color. Then I will be adding this main masala. I will be adding some birista and some chopped coriander leaves. Now I will be adding here a few drops of oil and keep it marinated. Now at last, before keeping it aside for 1 hour, I will be adding here salt as per taste. And then I will mix it once again properly. So now after an hour, the chicken has got marinated properly, and now I'll add it here and I'll cook it in low flame for about 20 minutes. I won't be adding any kind of water or additional amount of oil because I have already added oil while marinating the chicken. So now I'll cover the lid and I'll cook it for about 20 minutes in low flame. It's 15 minutes now and I came to check the chicken. It's almost done. So now in this stage I'll be adding these boiled potatoes. And now I'll cover the lid for another 10 to 15 minutes, which will go up to 30 minutes of overall for cooking the chicken. I hope you can see the chicken is ready now. I'll turn off the gas and first I'll take out the chicken in a dish and then I'll start doing the layering of the rice. You can see at the bottom I have kept only 1 chicken piece and only 1 piece of boiled potato. And now I'll be adding the first layer of rice. It's difficult to layer the rice with the use of spoon, so I am using my hand. I have washed it before using here. So the first layer is ready. Now I'll be adding here a layer of this gravy from the chicken and 2 pieces of chicken and the other things. Now I'll be adding here some gravy of the chicken. Now I'll be adding here 2 to 3 of chicken pieces. I'll be adding here 1 boiled potato. Now I'll be adding this fried onion, chopped coriander leaves, and some of this warm milk with the saffron. This is the second layer of rice. I'll add this now, 2 tablespoons. Not 2 tablespoons, sorry, 2 serving spoons. Now I'll add the chicken pieces, some more chicken pieces, and this one. I'll add the boiled potato and this one on the other side. Now I'll add the remaining one. Now I'll add the birista, the fried onion, and now I'll add the remaining chopped coriander leaves. So you can see how it looks. This is the final layer. And now at last I will be adding a pinch of food color. So it's ready. Now I will cook it in low flame for about 3 minutes and now I'll cover it with the lid. Here comes my chicken biryani. I have not taken out in the serving dish because once again before the lunch time I'll heat it up quickly. So you can see how it looks.